Okay, so this is the Crunge by Led Zeppelin. This is basically Led Zeppelin's James Brown tribute. They talk about going to the bridge and all that stuff like he always did. And so this is a great little tune, some great picking stuff. It's in some odd times. So the main riff is in 9/8. It's like... So that whole thing is like a 9/8 and it keeps going in 9/8. Basically, we just have 3 string chords. We have the 12th fret and we start with an upstroke. It's like the last stroke of the previous measure. So it's like... So when we go the downstroke on that, that's the beginning of the new measure of 9/8. So it's like kind of a, last kind of hit. Okay, so check out the tab on this one. It's gonna go up, down, up, down, up. So we put in those 14s in there. Now our other chord's gonna be like the 5s on the bottom 3 strings, and the 4, 5 to 6, and then 5, kind of a bit of a 4, and then a 3 to 4. And then we end up shooting back up. So check this out. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so. So watch for the chicks and everything. Check out the tab on that. Okay, you can kind of do a little slide on that, or kind of just a chick it. And we get down to the 5s. So we got down, up, down, chick a chick. And you want to get into it like a steady rhythm, so you're just kind of going back and forth the whole time. So we got... Okay, so 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay, so this, when we get to the 5s here, it kind of goes into 4, 4. But when we add that 3 and 4 at the end, it's like we're going back into like a kind of odd time measure there. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. So you will go to that 6 3 times, but after you do that 6 for the 3rd time, you're gonna go. So that one does not go to the 3 or the 4, and it doesn't go to the 6. It goes right back up. Okay, so from the beginning of the song, we got do 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 dum ding ba dum ba ding, little bass line ba do 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 dum bum ba dum ba dum. Okay, then you're back to. So when you do that 3 and 4, you got to stop that quick chicken because you're just going down, down. Okay, so it's like 7 of those when a verse gets going. So that'd be like, one of them. So you got 7 of those. Then the last one, you can kind of, you could slide it down, or you could just do like a chicka kind of thing. So let's try this part. 2, 3, 4. So it's tricky with all those chicks, right? And you really have to get your chord, and you really have to mute these notes that you're trying to do all those chicks on. So that's like a down, up, down, chick, chick. So each time you got to go to those chicks, you got to mute everything. That's why I got my palm up here kind of on these big strings, kind of trying to mute those big ones, because we never really hit those big strings. It's always those bottom three in this tune, right? So I also have these other fingers kind of edging up towards these bigger strings too when I'm not playing those chords. Okay, so it has some of the greatest things about the James Brown kind of funk style, kind of quick picking stuff, chordal things, like syncopated things, but it also mixes it all together with some odd time kind of progressive rock stuff, you know, like that Zeppelin was kind of known for. So it's a great James Brown tribute. I like to even say when I'm doing like Sex Machine, has anyone seen that Confounded Bridge? You know what I mean? It's kind of like just fun to kind of throw that crunge stuff in there. So let's take a look one more time. We got do-do-do-do-do, dum-dum-dum, ba-do-do-do-do, dum-ba-dum. Dun. Six. We're going back. Stay on that. See that time I did that slide. Going back. And at the end of the song, he's kind of just keep doing that main part on the 12 and 14 and stuff. Has anyone seen the Confounded Bridge? All right, the Crunge, Led Zeppelin. Hope you dug that. That's their James Brown kind of tribute type thing. So great stuff, great funky stuff, odd time stuff, interesting stuff, prog rock mixed with funk. Gotta love it. Take it easy, y'all. Thanks a lot for watching.